So T-track is installed, and I just got to do some more screws. They didn't send screws with the big long track section, just the intersection. So that's all done, and definitely learned a few things besides the router manhandling. You know, a lot of the videos say, oh, you can cut it with your miter saw. So first miter saw cut, oh, oops. Second miter saw cut, still looks like shit to me. I end up using a jig and the saber saw to basically cut it out. So in this section right here, I'm going to put 3 drawers. I know that's where tools go to die, but I'm going to put 3 drawers there. And then the sketch I sent you in this area here is going to go a shop vac, and then a cyclone system, and some electrical, and then cabinet doors. So that's kind of what's next on tap. So here I am kind of at a pause. I've cleaned up the mountains of dust created by routing. I'm thinking about actually putting a drawer here, because anything short of a drawer is just going to be a dust collector, but a drawer should keep most of it out. I'm debating about this area here. Maybe I'll put the compressor in this area and a 50-foot hose reel for the compressor. I don't know. I'm unsure about that area. You know, this area here, I'm not gonna put those containers of screws in another container. They're already labeled. I can't see or make sense of that. Here, I think I'm gonna need to get the components, which would be a shop vac, a cyclone, on-off delay switch, and some other stuff. Also some receptacles over here that I'm gonna have to wire. I'm either gonna put the blast gate here with a receptacle, or alternatively here, and I'm not really sure. It may be because of using a Y that actually this would be better for a blast gate. But kind of that's where I'm at with some thinking. I gotta do some actual design considerations here. If you've got any thoughts, you can pass them my way, or we can talk about them. So that's where we're at. All right, a little progress. I used the trim bit to trim these flush, and you can see even here, this is less, but you can see how much, when I move the table saw, it's going to be taken off to make these flush, which is a pretty slick little piece of equipment, the flush router bit. And then, as you can see right here, I routed this out and this out here, and put this intersection in to complete that part there. And then I at least cut these pieces here, which will be where I'm going to put some drawers in. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, and more tomorrow.